Most of the English language learners finds it challenging to learn English because some important features of English language such as tense, article, prepositions, phrasal verbs, idioms, spellings, pronunciations are very different forms than the other language in the world. Or we simply say that it requires lots of the memorizations. Actually, learning a language is totally a mindset game and it's all about being confident in your mindset. So today I'm going to share some amazing hack that help you to save the whole game because it is necessary to make this a daily habit to practice. Namaskar, I'm Rita. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. The first hack that I'm going to share in this video, that is the mirror hack. For at least 1 week, you must take out 3 minutes to learn English language. If indeed you want to learn this language, no matter how busy you are, maybe you are busy in your study, your house chores or in your work. If you are willing to learn this language, you must take out these 3 minutes for you at the beginning level. Look at yourself in front of the mirror and smile. Hold your eye contact with yourself. Perhaps at the beginning it is not easy for you to hold your eye contact with yourself. You may feel nervous, but don't worry, a mirror won't judge you. There is no reason to get stage of fear while you are speaking to yourself. To remove your fear of speaking, you must need to practice speaking in front of the mirror. It is one of the great way to improve your communications skill. For this reason, I suggest you to practice in front of the mirror. When you are afraid of being judged, you must talk to yourself. It will help you to boost up your confidence level as well as it will help you to improve your speaking power. Gradually, you can observe that you can express your idea, your thoughts and your feelings in this language very well. Describing situations. Explaining is a challenging task for beginner in English. Whenever you want to explain or narrate any situations, you have to know the name of the object, place or name of the person in English. But at the initial level, when you start to describe situations with yourself, definitely the name of the words you don't know, the name of the objects you don't know. Word does not come to your mind and you don't know the name of that object or the name of that place. Then what will you do at that time? You stop your conversations. You stop describing the situations. No. You just Google up and come to know the meaning of that object and start your conversations again with yourself. In order to do so, you come to know about the name of the object. It means that you can increase your vocabulary, and when you are speaking with yourself, you can boost up your speaking power also. In this video, I try to help the English beginner who willing to speak English but don't know how to speak and how to start their journey. But by following these 2 amazing tips which I share in this video, you can accelerate your journey. I hope that this video will help you a lot. Thank you. Vande Mataram.